Hello there! Right, going to show you a quick life hack. It is how to improve your Henry Hoover, or your Hetty Hoover, or your Numatic Hoover. So inside, got the filter. Give this one a clean. In all fairness, it's a good idea to keep everything clean. Obviously, keep the filter as clean as possible. Keep the rim clean. Keep the filter seat clean, so it's a nice tight seal. But inside here, where the filter goes, when it sucks, the filter gets a bit squashed up and sort of loses half the filter area. So basically, you need something about fist size to put underneath here and hold the filter down in place. This will sit on top and hold it down in place. This is what this plastic thing is for, but it doesn't quite do its job because it still squishes up like that. All right. Top tip is one of these air freshenery type things. This is the right size, and then obviously when your Hoover's on, it just smells like roses. So pop that in there. Obviously it has to sit. The lump has to sit in the back of the Hoover, so it clears that. And then now, basically, the Hoover filter can't be squashed up anymore. Lid back on. Wow, she's a monster. Another top tip with your Henry is there are actually different model ones, different powers. This is 1000 watt or 1200 watt max one. I think most of them are like 750 watt nowadays, but if you can get the more powerful one, obviously it's better. Right, so my youngest daughter Summer has just had a genius idea on how to show you guys this working. So this is with the spacer in still. On the bottom of the Hoover, how it would be sat inside the Hoover. So you can see that the filter gets sucked in a bit, but this thing is holding it far away from this bit and giving it as much filter area as possible. Without this thing in, so how everyone else's Henry is at home, or Hetty. One, you can see the filter's sucked in. There's a little bit less filter area. Every little does help. Also, a lot of the filter sucks over or very close to the actual air intake there. So it's not even using as much of the filter. And you could hear on that second go, it was struggling more. It was putting more effort in to just suck through the filter. So this will make your Henry, or your Hetty, or your Numatic more powerful and more efficient. Thank you. Over and out.